see the guys. Dorapalli waterfalls. It has multiple names. Gopchandra waterfalls, Perandapalli waterfalls. They tell that there are many waterfalls. So it's almost so chemically. See that you can see the lots and falls. It's almost Bangalore city west. They simply tell it Bangalore city west. But this, people say come here to taking bath also. It's a risk, but not a health agent. You can see that the river waterfalls. You can see that so green, green in color. You see that it is green in color in the falling of water. It will want to the white color, but it's so green. It tell you that hazardous chemical also mixed in the waterfalls from the Bangalore city. It's a total waste of Bangalore city. Some are walking in the falls also. It's a risk, but